Enter the Lucid Air Pure, the luxury EV focused on efficiency and range. Even as the entry-level model, it boasts over 400 miles per charge, with tweaks for even more in 2025. The interior is spacious and beautifully designed, with new color and trim options. Lucid's miniaturized powertrain means a huge, airy cabin. Pricing puts it up against Tesla and Mercedes, but Lucid's value is in its range and luxury feel. The Air Pure isn't about wild horsepower. It's about a refined, no-compromise EV experience. For those who want efficiency and comfort, it's a standout. Lucid proves you don't need the top trim to get the best of the brand. Quiet confidence, not just flash. The Rivian R2 is one of the most anticipated EVs, an adventure SUV for the mainstream. Smaller and more affordable than the R1S, it targets the Model Y and Mach-E crowd. Signature Rivian design, clever storage, and off-road capability are all here. Expect a durable, family-friendly interior and dual-motor all-wheel drive. Aggressive pricing aims to make it eligible for federal tax credits. Rivian's betting big, building a new factory just for the R2. If they nail quality and price, the R2 could be a massive hit. It's not just another SUV, it's an adventure vehicle for everyone. Production starts in 2025, and all eyes are on Rivian. Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is their electric answer to the family SUV. Built on the eGMP platform, it offers 3 rows, bold design, and tons of space. Expect lounge-like comfort, a flat floor, and clever storage throughout. Tech highlights include a panoramic screen and ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Family-friendly features like air purifiers and USB ports abound. The Ioniq 7 brings Palisade practicality into the electric era. It's set to rival the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S, but with Hyundai's unique style. For big families going electric, this is a must-see in 2025.